What do you think are probably the core ingredients of a successful AI strategy inside an enterprise that you've noticed?
The simplest way of thinking about a good enterprise AI strategy is that it probably does two things. It probably helps you accrue cost savings, and it probably helps grow revenue. It sounds self-evident, but
Mhm.
just doing one or the other misses the boat in terms of understanding the ways in which any technology strategy might work, but in particular when it comes to AI. One of the ways I think about the cost savings isn't just, oh, I save 10% doing this by using AI. It's more about whether or not you are generating a sustainable competitive advantage, a durable way of doing things that is better than your competition. The
Mhm.
why is what matters. I'm not just doing this to get ahead. I'm doing this because it gives me a step up in terms of my productivity, a step down in terms of my cost. And AI might be the way in which, by deploying it, I gain that advantage over my competitor that's perhaps dragging his or her feet for some time. What if you were able to think through ways in which, instead of adding resources, you were able to add code, rules, ML, AI, Gen AI, workflow management, and wherever the AI is headed? And I think that that idea, that cost savings and just basically lowering how much it takes to run a complex organization because there is now AI at your disposal, is one of the best reasons why the cost savings angle is so important. When it comes to throughput in terms of getting something done, does an AI assisted team do better than a team that doesn't have AI? And there's a basis for all the cost savings bucket that your enterprise AI strategy might deploy. The idea simply is new revenue growth. One of the reasons why we don't see more of that is that we lack the creativity in the space because we're just too busy doing the jobs that we have. If you rethought the workflow of your company, how might you rethink what do you create, how you create value, and who and for whom? And I think that's part of what ProjectPro does. It says, look, there are these templates, there are these ways in which we do things. You use them, then you could maybe save some time and maybe rethink what it is that you do. But data is also a big part of how you might want to build your enterprise AI strategy. So again, cost saving. And
Mhm.
then from that time, think about new revenue growth.